Just a quick view of the road end module as it's coming along. Nothing like finished yet. Bridge section with some graffiti. The underpass height. And then some fencing. Photoshop there. I need fences along the edge of the road here. They'll be going in when I get them. Looking from the other end of the module, sub-module. Some houses going in. A winding country suburban lane. There's the Photoshop. The road in the background. And here's the Van Looyen yard. Okay, few days before we head off to the show. This is the final, more or less final setup. I need to see if I can do some more on the backdrop, another panel backdrop there, but this is pretty much the final setup to head off to the show with. So I've got some scenery, recreational activity here, some water, some industries there at the back, the parcel industry for Hampton Loves, and the cold stores, industry Grolleman. Then at the rear, country lane or suburban lane, winding road, some traffic. In the yard, all car cards with photos, computer control, wireless operation, and that's about it. So I'll just stand in front of the camera for a minute and explain how it all is supposed to work. Right, the computer control is just an addition. This can actually be closed off because we'll be operating via the wireless LAN. Basically this will be connected up to all sorts of other modules. Trains will run around, and this freight train has just come in, and the idea is now the switcher here, the shunter, will make up cars that need to go onto the train, and the train needs to drop off some cars at the yard here. And same on the other side, they'll be switching out the industries here when the train is going that way. The way it works is before a train comes in, whilst the switcher is available in the yard, I've got cards, pictures of all the freight cars, and the idea is throw a dice. Even number is 3. It's 4 cars. An uneven number is 3 cars will be switched out. So this is 3 cars. So we need to select blindly 3 cars from the yard. 1, 2, 3. Those are the 3 cars we need to separate out and get ready to be able to add to the train that comes in. Now, since the train has already come in, we also need to determine how many cars the train needs to drop off. It's also uneven, so it's also 3 cars. This is our train pack So again, we'll shuffle, pick 3 cars, 1, 2, 3. And it goes back to the train area. So now our work is to collect the 3 cars using the switcher here. Get the 3 cars here ready to be added to the train, and the train itself will need to split off this car, and that car. We'll need to drop those off at the yard. So that starts. Got the wireless operation. Okay, so we'll start up. There's the track plan, and we'll be operating locally the switcher here. So I'll select the switcher, set it into shunting mode, and then we can head off. Let's just see what we'll do. Anyway, you get the idea now. The switcher will sort the cars here ready to be put onto the train, and the train here will need to unhook. So the green car is the last one we need. This one, this one, and this one. So the main freight train will just back up a little. Okay, we'll uncouple here. Bring it forward. And we can stick that into the waiting track. So that's the one we need to leave behind in the yard and forward. And these 2 need to be left behind, so we'll put that one here. Couple, move forward, and these 2 we can leave behind here. All right, put the last 2 cars into the yard as well. Okay, the mainline freight lock has done its thing. Now with the switcher, we need to get the 3 cars out of the yard and get them ready for the train to leave with. Anyway, that's the idea. Also here, industry's on the other side, and that's how we're intending to display this module. Interactive operation of a railway. Large words. God, I've had a terrible flu this last week, and I'm just recovering now. Sorry for the voice. All right.